Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing for a very cheap wireless earbuds that is actually so I didn't use it, but from what I've read and heard that this is very high quality wireless true wireless earbuds. And this is the Sound Liberty 79. So let's take a look at this is the logo as you can see here. So let's take a look at what we have. You can just pull it from here and it's pretty nice, cool design. And as you can see here, the Sound Liberty, and you just pull this out. Now it's a Chinese company, but we're gonna test it against the Samsung and the Huawei's, and it should be very interesting thing. So let's take a look. How can we unbox this? I don't understand. Like everything is top of each other. Okay, I don't know. It's too much. I think the arrangement inside should get better. But this is basically the booklet, as you can see, and how it does look like. It looks like the Samsung Buds. Let's see, you have here, and this is booklets that's stuck with the cable. And please, let's pray that it's a USB-C. Oh yeah, baby, it's a USB-C. It is USB-C. It's good. Okay, and we have a QR code, and it's very weird looking box. I don't know how it. So you just pull it out just like this, and let's remove everything. So we have a clean disc, and in this case, let's open it up basically from here, and take it out, and yeah, plastic. And here, as you can see, oh, it's this way. What? Trotonics. Anyways, so doesn't look clear here, but let's just open up and see what we have. Bam! Look at these earbuds. Now, I'm not gonna say that this is bad quality or good quality. From what I'm looking at right now, it looks like really nice, you know. And let's just give it a shot here. And let's see, I'm trying to focus and reduce the light so we can have a nice looking viewing angles, just like this. See how you can edit videos while you're shooting with your smartphone? Genius. Okay, so first off, the feeling of it, it is very much similar feeling when I carry this. Oh, what is this? There's some lights. So it does feel, even this one. So it does feel very similar to the Buds Plus from Samsung. I mean, the look, the feeling, the weight, even the design. I don't know. They basically probably took the design and amped it up to a new level. Let's see here. Yeah, that's really nice. So how to operate this, I have no idea. So I'm probably gonna do another video. So I'm even concerned about these lights, and I hope they do not distract at all. The box is very lightweight, and yeah, that's about it, guys. That's the buds that we have from called Sound Liberty 79, and let's put them this way, it looks better. Yeah, so I'm gonna test it and see how the sound quality is. I hope it's really great. Thank you everybody for watching, and see you in another video.